Upper body push exercises. This video focuses mainly on push workouts that target muscles of the upper body involved in the action of pushing. Pushing and pulling are primal body movements that all of us engage in naturally. Upper body push exercises, along with pull exercises, are extremely important for providing the right muscular balance for executing complex arm movements in Bharatanatyam. Let us now look at the materials required. Resistance bands such as TheraBand, loop band, or tube bands. Door attachment. Handles for comfort. Lightweight dumbbells. Chest press. Attach a band at the level of the shoulder and position yourself with one leg in front of the other while your arms hold on to the handles of the band. The arms should be slightly in front of your shoulders at the start position. Push the handles forward, extending your arms fully, taking care not to lock the elbows. Slowly bring the arms back to the start position with control. Your wrist should not flex upward or downward or sideways during this exercise. Perform the workout with control. You can modify the angle of the pull to perform inclined chest press by attaching the band to the lower end of the door and by moving the arms in the upward direction like this. You can also attach the band to the top of the door and extend the arms in the downward direction to perform a decline chest press like this. Repeat this exercise 12 to 15 times. Rest for 30 seconds. Perform 3 sets. Chest fly. Start with the band attached at the shoulder level with one leg positioned in front of the other. Your arms will be extended at the level of the shoulder as you see in this video. Draw the handles across the chest with the arms still extending until the knuckles meet at the center. Bring the arms back to the start position, exerting a lot of control as the bands pull the arms back. Work this exercise with the arms staying at the level of the shoulder and not dropping. Activate the chest muscles to draw the arms in and return them. You may practice this exercise in different angles by modifying the attachment points at the door and extending the arms as you see in this video. Repeat this exercise 12 to 15 times. Rest for 30 seconds. Perform 3 sets. Overhead press. Holding a pair of light dumbbells, as you see in the video, engage your core and activate your lats. Push the dumbbell straight up overhead, taking care not to flex at the wrist. This pushing action recruits your shoulders, and it is important to not shrug them in this movement. Keep your shoulders down and don't rock backwards and forwards during this exercise. Repeat this exercise 12 to 15 times. Rest for 30 seconds. Perform 3 sets. Tricep dip. Place your palms on a flat surface by your sides and extend your legs as you see in this video. Assume the start position by moving the hips forward so you're just in front of the bench. Lower your back until your upper arm is at 90 degrees at the elbow. Push yourself up using the strength of your arm so you're back at the start position. Perform this lowering and extension, making sure your body is moving in a straight line and you're lowering yourself sufficiently to make the 90-degree angle each time. Repeat this exercise 12 to 15 times. Rest for 30 seconds. Perform 3 sets. Push-up. It is important for every dancer to practice push-ups. It is a great overall exercise that recruits a number of muscles of the body. For this, you will first need to master the plank. The plank. You can begin with placing the arms so the wrist, elbows and shoulders are in a straight line and all the fingers are resting on the ground. Move your feet as far as you can without changing anything about your arms. Take care not to arch your lower back or push your bottom up. Engage your core and tuck your pelvis. Hold the plank position for 30 seconds, take a break, and repeat 3 times. In the plank, the hips stay in line with the rest of the body. Use this principle anytime you do a push-up. Push-up progressions. You may practice push-ups first against a wall until you have enough strength to move it to a railing or a bench. It is important to bring your chest close to the surface you're pushing against. Incomplete range of movement does not allow for adequate strength development. You can eventually move the push-up to the floor by first dropping the knees to the ground. Once again, practice push-ups with full range of movement. Repeat this exercise 8 to 10 times. Rest for 30 seconds. Perform 3 sets. Choose from these push exercises in this video and combine with pull and lower body and core exercises to get a comprehensive overhauling of your strength in different areas of your body. Whatever combination of exercises that you choose, ensure that you're also making changes to the intensity and volume of the workout so your body does not get accustomed to the regimen. Continue watching more videos for more exercise ideas on the Inner Circle.